Okay, this level, I might die once or twice. Oh, 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 that was quick. Oh, what? Oh, I'm still alive? I'm still alive? Ah! I still have my save button bound to something. So I have to, I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, I did not expect that beginning. Ah! I'm taking damage. Anyways, do I even need to do all that? Gotta lower one of them. Ah! And then how do I get there again? Oh, forgot. Oh, right, I have to go back past this part. Go, move. Did not expect it to be that intense. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is just like the beginning of Halls of the Damned. Okay, well now there's a next for Pinky. Okay, never mind. Okay, that was an interesting beginning, but we did it easily and quickly. Bye.